sheet metal toolbox. Aim of this exercise is to enhance skills with sheet metal, learn measuring, marking, cutting, bending, folding, use of various tools on sheet metal, and to fabricate something like this. It's a sort of sheet metal toolbox. It has 4 parts. The first one, the biggest part, is the base. Is the biggest part. Then you have the side covers. Two side covers actually. One base, 2 side covers, and 1 handle for holding. Sizes will be as per the drawing. After making the V notch and the markings, you bend the 5 mm on the machine and then correct it properly by hammering. So now bend the sides.
It will become like this, and you can fix it with the hammer. It's not a problem. But we will do the other side and then fix it.
Okay. Yeah, it will become like this. One side this, the other side is this. Okay. Now folding the box this way. Yeah, I need to select the jaw perfectly so that to hold. Okay, don't make it too much so that you will save hammering. Yeah. Then make it little less so that you don't have to another bend. Yeah, the other side. The line should match, this line should match where you want to bend. Okay. So now it will look like something like this. Yeah. Okay. Now for the handle, you have this piece 390 by 95. So what you have to do is mark 5 here and 30, 65, 90, or you can go 5 here and 5 as a base this side and 5 here and 30 here and turn it upside down, make 30 here, 65 the in between, it will come automatically. Then you change the side, flip it like this, keep the base 95 and make 15 1, and then 15 here also. Go for marking using vernier height gauge. After marking is done, you have to cut this, remove this little part on the 4 sides. Okay, using snips, appropriate snips, whichever is possible. Okay, so to cut it. Important point is not to finish the snip. Should cut half, not finish the snip completely, or else you will get a bend. Now cutting the middle part. So changing of snips for the direction. The middle part, you cut it like this. Okay, after the cut of center, then you go for 5 mm folding for the corners. So the 5 mm, you keep it, adjust the as per the line. This is the line you have to adjust. Once you adjust, you can fold it. Now fold it. Once you adjust, yeah, go complete. Okay. So this way, go more, go. Okay, so now you get maximum folding. Other side also do it, so that we finish all the things. Okay, good job. Yeah, now we can fold it more by hammer. Fold it more further by hammer to make it 180 degrees bend. Going to do is
just gonna
bend this one. Okay, you align as per the line, and then you bend it back. Okay, you got this one. Other side, you align, then again bend it. Here you go. You got it. Okay. Then there is one fold remaining, right? The other fold, you have to bring that to the corners and make sure it is on the line, and then fold it. That's not complete fold. 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees.
This should do.
Yeah. Here goes the handle. Okay, you can adjust that one. Then again the other side. Fix it between the jaw, the edges, and then bend it like bend it. Okay, here we go. We got this handle. Good. So this is the handle. We got it. Look like this. And as you practice, you will make it more perfect. Some things, and also if you have any bends which are not correct, you can make it by hammer. And then you have the box there. So today we have handle and the box ready. So the box ends or the side covers, we have to make it. Then we have to just weld it. The side covers will come here and there. Okay, now we are preparing ourselves for side side covers. End
This
cover.
piece is for the triangle pieces. This is 140 by 205. We made them this way. And now we will start from this line. This line is 75.
75. So 75 here. Okay.
This line is 75.
75. You made a horizontal line.
The line above it is 87.
87.
Okay,
From here, 87. You made a horizontal line. Okay. Two lines.
Two lines. This is with the vernier caliper.
Okay.
The other lines, when I did it, I flipped the piece
Okay.
and I put the first line is 5.
Okay.
This line. The other line is 30.
First is 5. So let's flip the this. We see the drawing. This one first line is 5, and the second one is 13.
13.
So you made two lines, 5 and 13. Okay, done.
And again with the vernier caliper, I did the line here. This is 49.
Okay.
So I can make a cross with it
So 49 from where? From the side.
from the side. Yes.
From this side. So here is the dimension. 49 from here. Okay.
The other one is 58.
Okay.
From this line.
Okay. The other one is 58 from here to here, so that you can cut the lines which you have made. That-
Now I will make another line. The first one is from the 75 line.
Okay.
To the number 5 line. I will make it like this.
Okay.
And the other one like this.
Okay, let's do it. Now you're joining 5 to 75. So you're joining 5 to 75. Yeah. Join 5 to 75. So this one was 75, the below one. This is 75.
Yes.
And then you joined it with the 5 here. Okay. So you joined it with this one. Now you will join the 87.
Yes. The other line.
87 with 49.
Yes.
Right. 87 with 49. 87 with 49. So we are joining now 87 with 49. So you will get this fold.
Yes.
So to get
The
the fold.
spacing between this line and this line is 5.
5 should
Yes.
be 5. Yes.
It should be 5.
Okay. So why did you stop here? Why didn't you not continue?
It's
No,
okay if I continue.
because you will cut.
I will like this.
Yeah.
You see? I did it like this.
Okay.
I will do it like this now. And there's a part from here to here. I need
Okay.
to cut. It will become
Okay.
short one.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. So now you're joining the 87 with is joining now 87 with 49. So basically it is bigger side from there to smaller here. Okay, we got this one. So basically what it is you are joining the bigger dimension from here to the smaller dimension here, and the bigger one here to the smaller one. Yeah, same basically. So you got the line. Basically what we are doing is we are drawing two parallel lines with a distance of 5 mm in between them. So the distance between these two should be 5 mm overall. Now you will cut it using this machine. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
This one first line.
Okay.
Now.
Hold the other side. And then. Okay. So we got done with one. Okay. The next one. Here we got the two sides. Now folding.
Before folding, we need to cut a little part from here.
Okay. Okay, now we need to cut like this. Okay, show us how do you do that. So what you are doing now basically,
We will remove this piece.
this part. Okay. So you cut up to the 5 mm. Okay, you got one cut.
And from here,
Okay. You use the green one, right? Okay. And then okay. Okay. You got this one. Okay. This will help us in folding.
one.
So again until the 5 mm line. This one. We'll basically make like this. So we got two sides, the side cover or end cover like this. Okay, now folding is what's folding is remain. Okay, now folding part.
Now I'm gonna fold it to the inside. Line on this side.
Okay. Folding the 5 mm part for the ends. Okay, you got it. Good. The other side. You go for the other side. You got the folds. Okay.
Now we'll make it straight with the hammer and the hammer.
Okay. So hit it with the hammer to make it completely folded. Got the two sides. Okay.
And now the start will make 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Yes. Okay. So you got this too. So 90 degrees fold is remaining here. There. Okay. So now you are folding that 5 mm part.
For 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Okay. How do you get it? You got it like this. Okay.
If you
yeah, with hammer.
If you are not sure,
Ah, okay. We can say yes.
here's the degree until 90 here.
We can stop in halfway. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we are done with the side end cover or side cover, or body and the handle. Okay. Now we'll go for welding. So before welding, we'll fix our parts to check the match. It will come like this, and the handle will come upside down. Open space up. Okay. We'll go for welding. Okay.
We on the machine, we keep the water running from this. Now the handle. So we'll attach the upper part first. So we need to be careful with the axle.
Facing difficulty in spot welding, so we hold it.
Now we fold it to make our spot welding easier. Okay, try to spot weld. Okay, give it the other side as well. So adjust properly position. Oh yeah, this way maybe it will be better. Oh yeah, go ahead. Okay. Okay.
Done. Last and final. So it's hot, not hot. So we got the joints here. Well done. And the box is done.